some juice, juice, juice and some babe. Yeah, yeah, I'm sipping on some juice and some babe. Oh man, I feel that ghost in my veins. She said she's feeling loose off the flame. She said she loves the view from my place. I'm feeling hella lit, I'm okay. This whiskey is the shit, man, I'll say. I need another hit of your J. Now my mind is hella split, feel the fame.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
Yo guys, today we are at Grizedale Forest, another Go 8 place. We're doing Forest Segway.
I'm not, but he is.
Well, yeah. Only one ticket left, guys. We couldn't swing it with the old YouTube. They wouldn't let us slide the free ticket in. It goes all around the forest, beautiful views of Coniston and the Old Man. But let's go, let's get into it. Don't forget, hit the like button and the subscribe down below, guys. Let's go. At the Forest Segway. We're about to set off, guys, on a little ride through the forest. I've got my GoPro on. Look at this baby. About 3 grand's worth of Segway with a forest kit on it. We're off, guys. Okay, so you have to go through a bit of a training exercise with the Segways just to make sure you can use them safely and you can ride them without falling off. So I'm just going through this bit now. I just thought I'd show you guys.
And off he goes. Bye, Deb. See you later.
Beautiful scenery up there, eh? Alright. So beautiful up here, isn't it? Love it.
I'm glad it's blue sky.
So do you do this all day then?
So this is actually my first day on Segways.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm an instructor. I've done quite a few training days.
I was gonna say, you've definitely ridden a Segway
Yeah,
before.
I've ridden one before. But yeah, if on a Segway day, you just do Segways all day.
Yeah.
But we've got the 4 activities, and this is like the last one I'm training on.
Okay.
So basically, my week will be made up of all 4 activities.
Yeah.
Pretty good one, really.
Really cool job, yeah, definitely.
It's not bad. Not at all. Lily, keep pushing forward, guys. Keep pushing on your toes, guys.
Look at that scenery though.
Gonna head this way, guys. You guys keep powering on if you need. Pushing on. Quite a lot of hills. Medium cycling.
Is that, was that Ambleside? Or?
Yes, that's Coniston over there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, the old man. Okay, yeah.
So if you guys want to pop off your Segways, you're more than welcome to get a picture of it.
Wow. Nice view for the Segway. That was really cool. Nice little ride through the Grizedale Forest. Grizedale Forest?
Grizedale, yeah.
Did you check?
Yeah.
I told you it was. Yeah, really cool, guys. Really cool. Wow, guys, that was so much fun.
I don't know why I'm saying that.
Sorry, Jordan couldn't do it because they only had one space left because it was really booked up.
And I didn't want you to miss out on that though.
I know, they stopped making the Segways now as well. So if you're going to do it, guys, you need to do it now before they all break. They've still got it on at Grizedale Forest and Windlatter. You need to go to goape.co.uk, link below. And you also, whilst you're down there, guys, just click the like button as well and hit subscribe as well. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye.